Hello, I'm back. My name is Sally. I'm from the LANCI Cosmetics. Today I have a new product for you. Guess what? It's a tool. Yes. Well, it's said that if you have the right tool, each and every girl can become a makeup artist. So we have these tools from the LANCI. These are our makeup brushes. Let's have a look. This is a beautiful packaging we have here, and this can stand. So that's the best part of it. So you can just keep it on your table and you don't need anything else. Also, this cap can act like a holder, so you can keep anything in it. Now, these are our brushes. It's a set of 16 brushes, and each brush will have its own protective cover as well. But the best part is, what most of people keep asking us, or what most of females I have observed have a problem, is that they don't know which brush is for what. So to solve this problem, we have a solution. We give this along with the product. Now you may ask, what is it? Well, this is information sheet in which you will understand each of the brush, its name and its use. So it's easy for you to understand what these brushes are actually for. But don't worry, today I will tell you and show you each and every brush. So the LANCI is offering you 16 brushes in the LANCI brush set. Let's start. So first up is the full coverage brush. Okay, let's remove it. Have a look. This is a full coverage brush. It can be used with liquid foundation and also for your powder. So it basically is a full coverage brush. Right? Okay, next up is the blush brush. So this is the blush brush. Okay. So as its name suggests, it is for blush, for your pink cheeks or for your rosy cheeks. So you can use this for applying blush, specifically for blush. Alright, now next up is the foundation brush. Now you might think, then what was the first brush for? Well, yes, that was for foundation, and for full coverage you can use it for powder. But this is a foundation brush. See the curve? And it is pretty flat. It's not fluffy, it's flat. So this is the LANCI's foundation brush. Apply a foundation, see, it works well. Perfect shape. So it's an foundation brush. Next is this. This is angled bronzer brush. So as its name suggests, see, it has a specific angle to it. All right, and it's a bronzer brush. So you can use for contouring. See, perfect shape. So it's given a very beautiful angle to it, and it's an angled bronzer brush. Next up is everyone's favorite. It's my personal favorite. Ta-da! It's a fan brush. Now, I don't need to tell you, it's pretty popular, but still I'll tell you. It's a fan brush. You can use it to highlight your cheeks, highlight your nose, highlight your upper cupids. So it's basically a fan brush, and it's used for highlighting. Well, I have seen many hacks on internet where they suggest you to take your full coverage brush and apply a pin to it and make it a flat brush. Well, it might be working, but it's not good for the bristles. When you remove it, they might spoil. So it's not suggested. It's better you have a separate brush and you use it accordingly, because it's very well engineered. The cut of it is very important. The length of it also matters. So it's engineered very well, and you have it. So use it. All right. Next is a highlighter brush, but that is tapered highlighter brush. Okay. So this is ideal to highlight your eyeshadows. All right. See, it is very tapered. All right. So it is used to highlight. It can create a smooth finish for your eyes. All right. For your eyes. So this is a highlighter brush. Alright. Next is our eye blender brush. Well, everybody knows that. This is a eye blender brush. So this is the LANCI's eye blender brush. You use it for blending. So this is the LANCI's eye blender brush. Okay, see, they have also mentioned the numbers over here. Now this is 345. Alright, and it's mentioned here also very well, 345. So you won't get confused, or you don't need to see the pictures and find it out. You can easily guess it because the numbers are also mentioned over here. Fine. Now this is your eye blender brush. Next up is fluffy shading brush. Okay, so your fluffy shading brush is basically used for soften the lines. Alright, now these are used to soften the creases, the lines you have. So it's very nice to give. Yes, people use this blending brush mostly to soften the lines, I have observed, but you can have a special brush which is the fluffy shading brush, and which is used for softening the lines. Okay, now next we have a small tapered blending brush. Yeah, it's 3 to 6. This one. Let's see. Well, as you can see, it has a slightly pointed tip, not much. Okay, a slightly pointed tip. Its number is 3 to 6, and it works great with the powder shades. You know, where you use eyeshadows or where you have powder shades, this brush is very suitable for it. Okay, so it's a small tapered blending brush. This is also a blending brush, and the earlier one was a fluffy one. It was a little big, and this is small tapered. It has a tapered tone. Now we have one. Next up is an eye shading brush. 355. Yeah, this is the eye shading brush. Now what is this eye shading brush for? It is to apply creamy and powder products to your entire eyelid. Okay, it goes here. Beautiful. So it's an eye shading brush. Next is pencil brush. Pencil brush 350. This is your pencil brush. As its name suggests, it's a soft tapered tip, and it literally looks like a brush. So you can use it with your eyeshadow, for your lower lash lines, right? It's so tapered. It's so easy to use it for your lower lash lines. So this really works well. Okay, it's a pencil brush. Next is, see, I'm keeping it in this holder, so easy to use, right? Now next is a cream color brush. Yeah, a cream color brush. So this one, a cream color brush, you can use it to apply the eyeshadows to your entire lid. Okay, this, see its shape, how perfect it is. It helps to apply it to your entire lid. So this is 376 cream color brush. It's flat, see its shape, it's perfect for your eyes. Okay, now next we have a lip brush. Okay, as the name suggests, it's for lips. So lip brush is 375, and yes, it's used for lips. Yeah, apply it. See how beautiful it is, how small and pretty it is. So you get your perfect lines when you apply your lipstick. So this is your lip brush. Next up is an angled brow brush, but this is the large angled brow brush. 379. This is a large angled brow brush. Okay, so it's for your brows over here. So this one is the larger one. Okay, this is your large angle brow brush. Then we have the brow and the lash brush. This one, perfect for your brows, also goes for your lashes. I love it. So I apply mascara, apply anything with this, the brow and the lash brush. And last but not least is the small angle brush. Now what is a small angle brush for? Yes, it is also for your eyebrows, but it is very small angled. You know, it goes here very well. You can use it here for your making the wings and all, because it is very small angled. Okay, the before one was little large and this is small angle. So these basically are our 16 brushes. Okay, I have told you all the uses, the way you can use them, and how beneficial they are. Most important is that we provide you with this, a sheet where all the brushes names, numbers and the related information is given. So we love our customers and we want everyone to know what a particular product is for. So please go ahead, visit thelanci.com and buy your set of brushes. It is advised to have your own set of brushes because it is hygienic, and you should always use your own brushes rather than sharing or using any makeup artist brushes. So girls, go ahead, get a set of brushes from thelanci.com. I have mine, you can buy yours. If you need any more information about any other products or any other new videos, you can always tell me or message, and we will try to make more informative videos for you and more fun videos for you. Have a great time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.